Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make Dandelion from scratch using pen, and I'm going to show you how it works. Let's make it. So now let's start making the sprite. So I'll just paint a sprite. Now I'll just take a brown circle which should be in the middle, like this. Make it a little smaller and keep it in the center. And now let's program. So now let's make a block. So it should be draw line at X and Y and add a label which would be direction. And then add an input, just D. And now click run without screen refresh and click OK. So now here just take a go to block and keep X, add X and Y in it, and then point in direction, put the D here, and then take up an extension and then pen down, and then set the color to white in the beginning, and then move 30 steps. And then set the color to brown. Okay, brown. So then it should move 2 steps and then pen down. Then it will not draw anything else, and then it'll go to its normal position. So I'll just duplicate this and keep it at the last here. And now let's see how this one works. So we'll just take this draw line at and just keep 0 and 0, and direction also I'll just keep 0 because I wanted to see it pointing up. So I'll just change the backdrop so that we can see it. Just change it to blue. Okay, so now it made a small line. And now I'll just make this dot a little bit more smaller. Like this. And that's good. And now let's make it go all around. So now I have to make a custom block. It should be circle, and then click on run without screen refresh and click OK. Now I'll keep a repeat block, keep this block here, And one more thing I forgot to do, I'll just edit it and keep a input which should be D, and then just click OK, and now keep this D here, and now make a variable direction. We'll just keep the short form, so I should make a variable. Okay, then I'll just click OK. Then at the beginning, it should just set the variable to 0. I'll just take a green flag option and place it somewhere. Then it should change the variable by 10, and then I will keep the variable here. And now let's see how this one works. I'll just keep 10, and now let's see how it works. Okay, it made a half. Let me just keep it 50. There, it's a full circle. Just change it more lighter, the background. So I'll just take light blue. Okay, that's, and I'll also draw a ground. Okay, so now let's just make the stem. So I'll just keep this at one side, and now we have to make one more custom block, which should be line. So okay, then keep run without screen refresh and click on OK. Now in this line, add pen down, and then it should change the color to green color. I'll just select it from here, and then I should make a variable which should be X and Y. I'll delete the my variable. Okay, so now keep a go-to block. I'll keep the X and Y here, and also the X and Y here and here, and then just simply take this and keep it here. Now let's see where that is. Press not that position. I'll just take this and keep it here. Now I'll keep it so. Okay. So it's because it's not working because I didn't keep these two blocks in this. Okay. So now there's a line. I'll make it more like this. So I'll just make it dark. And now let's see how it works. Yeah, that's good. And I'll also make it thin. I'll make it like this. Line should be more like its size should be 3 and the circle should be 1. Okay, so that's how I want it. And now I'll keep this in a whatever with the erase or at the top, and then I'll just keep this. Okay, so now I have to make a new sprite which should make it move. So I'll just simply make a square and then go back to code, and then I'll just place it here first and then keep a green flag option, and then I'll add a forever block, and then I'll add a go-to block which go to 0, 0. Okay, then place it here and to glide towards. Okay, I'll just keep another position like here. Okay, then I'll keep a glide block here, and then keep a glide to 0, 0, and keep the number to 3 in both. So that will make it go here and there. Okay, and this can be hidden, so I'll keep a hide block here. I'll keep it at the beginning. Okay, so now in this place I have to keep a forever block, add a green flag option on top of it, and then set the X and Y to its position. So I'll just go to sensing and then add this block here and take sprite 2, which is this one, duplicate it and keep Y position. Now let's see how that works. Okay, it's going like that. I will hide these variables and I'll keep the. Okay, so I should keep the 3 at the top and circle here and erase R at the beginning. And that's it. And if you like this video, please subscribe and click the bell icon.